This is Casey Sullivan by Casey Sullivan. All about me. I am currently attending Pace University as a freshman, and I am majoring in business finance. The other picture is of me, my graduation picture of me graduating at Suffern High School in my hometown of Suffern. The next picture is the car I drive at home, a white Jeep Wrangler. The picture in the bottom left is a picture of me playing baseball. Here at Pace University, along with academics, I am also a part of the men's baseball team. And the picture at the bottom right is me spending time with my friends on a trip to LBI this past summer. Sports. Sports have consumed most of my life up until this point. In high school, I was a part of my high school football team, my high school basketball team, and my high school baseball team. In all three sports, I was a varsity team captain. I enjoy playing and watching sports as I enjoy watching the Jets, the Yankees, and the Knicks. Those three teams are my favorite three teams, a part of my favorite three sports. I also enjoy playing fantasy with all my friends and watching the rest of the NFL, NBA, and MLB games. I also love spending time with friends and family. Here are pictures with me and my friends, and I also love going on friend vacations and family vacations as I get to spend more time with people I love. Thank you.